So let's begin the video. First of all, you need to open your settings. Here you need to search for startup apps. And here you need to turn off every app which have high impact and which is not necessary for your device. For example, if it's ASUS Smart Display Control, if I turn it off, there is this smart display control, so it might mess with my display. For example, if I have Java update scheduler, I don't need in the startup, I can turn it off. Okay, but it has not measured, but that means it has a little bit impact, so you need to turn it off. And all the other apps, mainly apps, if any app is turned on, you need to turn it off. For example, there you go, rain meter, I don't need it on my startup because I am not using rain meter. If you are using any rain meter widget, then that means you need to turn it off, because on the startup it will turn on automatically, otherwise you need to turn it on manually. So for example, if a steam is on, I don't need steam as my startup, so I need to turn off the steam. And all the other app which is here have high impact, or if the impact is here non-measured, also turn it off. But remember that you need to turn off those apps which do not have the impact on your startup PC. So after that, if this does not fix your issue, this will fix your issue, but on a certain sense. Then after that, you need to go on search. Here you need to search for view advanced system settings. View advanced system settings. Click on it, and here this window will pop up. Here you need to go on advanced. Here you need to go on in performance tab, go on settings, and here don't go on let Windows choose. Here go for adjust for best performance. Okay, you need to adjust for best performance, then click on apply and then okay. So I hope this will fix your issue. If it does, then please hit like, subscribe and share, and thank you. Have a nice day.